What's up? My name is Sizwe and welcome to the Sizwe J Vlog channel. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do the most and click that subscribe button somewhere here. And please also click that like sign and also click that bell sign. It's here. Oh yeah, it's heavy. It feels good. I'm happy. But we shall be doing an unboxing video of what's inside here. Make sure you stay tuned and watch the content. Let's go. them. So there we go. It's unboxed. Everything's out. Nice thing. The package that I got comes with 2 batteries. This battery looks like it's half, 50%. So we'll do maybe a young little first flight and see what we can get from it. But the package pretty much is 2 batteries. It's the drone itself, which I must say is very chunky. 3 axis camera. We'll see how stable that is. And 3 axis camera. We'll see how stable that is. A joystick, which I hope there's batteries. If there's no batteries, I need to buy batteries, unfortunately. Yeah, there's no batteries. That's the only sad thing. But other than that, that's it. My name is Caesar, and thank you for tuning into the Caesar and Jay vlog channel. My niece just had to be a +1. Sure. Say bye.
Bye.
Cheers.